Hey everyone! Welcome back to another update on my evolution simulation project. If you're new here, I've been building this thing in Python to simulate life, ecosystems, and all sorts of creature behaviors. Let's jump right in! Video, we added a bunch of new creatures like bluelets, hexlets, predators, and even some apex ones like the polylets and chungus. But things kept going extinct. No stable ecosystem yet. We ended up with something like this, where the food chain was super fragile. Okay, so the polylets ate all the predators in the beginning, allowing for the herbivores to thrive. Not very stable in my opinion. As a quick recap, our simulation has food sources like bushes and berries, water, and creatures with basic needs. Eating, drinking, mating, and surviving. Predators hunt herbivores, but without ways for prey to escape. Everything dies. That's where this video comes in. I've been working on adding evasion mechanics, hiding spots, and balancing to hopefully get a stable system. First off, after a ton of debugging and rewriting code, I added a key feature. Creatures can now run away from predators. If a prey spots a threat nearby, it'll bolt in the opposite direction. I tested this out in a basic simulation to see if it helps. Okay, check this out. The herbivores start evading, but the predators are too slow to catch up. They all starve and die off pretty quick, leaving just the plant eaters. Cool proof of concept, but the predators need buffs. So I made the predators faster and a bit smarter. They prioritize chasing closer prey now, not getting locked on one creature. Let's run that version. See, the chase is on longer this time. Predators get some kills, but eventually the prey get too good at running, and the predators still die out after a while. The population fluctuates more, but no long-term balance. Alright, time for some big upgrades. After even more rewriting and adding and remaking the entire ways they move and hide, including some pretty funny error messages, I added environmental features like trees and hiding places. Prey can now duck into bushes or behind trees to break line of sight, making it harder for predators to attack them. This mimics real-life camouflage and cover. Let's test it with the current creatures. here's the graph. The hiding place helps the herbivores survive, and they survive too well, and the predators die out relatively quickly. So the system isn't tuned right yet. So I spent time tweaking parameters, adjusting spawn rates, health regen, chase speeds, and hiding effectiveness. The goal is a stable ecosystem where populations are stable without total extinction. Let's run the latest version. Look at that! The prey's numbers rise, and when the predators rise, but the predators never overtake the prey or get too big because of the hiding and running. This is what I wanted, a semi-stable ecosystem. For the final experiment, I wanted to push it further by adding even more creatures to the mix. Think of a diverse herbivore mix, mid-level predators, and maybe another apex type. Let's see if the hiding and evasion hold up in a more complex setup. Okay, so, as we can observe, it starts promising, but the super predators, the ones that eat other predators, take over too aggressively. They wipe out the mid-predators, which lets herbivores explode unchecked. Not very balanced. Adding layers to the food chain needs more fine-tuning. The hiding helps, but overpowered top predators disrupt it all. Overall, this update brings us way closer to realism. Creatures running and hiding adds that survival edge, and we finally hit a stable point in one simulation. But there's room for more, like pack behaviors or smarter AI. My next idea? Adding hives, packs, and dens. Imagine bee-like swarms for defense or wolf packs for hunting. That can make group dynamics emerge and stabilize things even better. I hope you enjoyed this dive into the simulation. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and comment your thoughts or ideas below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.